So let's just use Andrew's product. Andrew will kill me. Keep going. Keep using his product. I'm getting a bit sweary there. What the hell's going on? So listen. Your customers like a page on Facebook. Could be this page, for instance. Being very slow for some weird reason. They like this page on Facebook, for instance. Okay. Can you then move them to a new page? The answer to that is no. You cannot move them automatically to a new page. And if you think about it from Facebook's point of view, you'd understand why they would not want you to do that. Your customers have liked this page, Twilight Action, and that's what they believe they are opting in to like. So if you try then to move them to another page, then that's disingenuous for your customers. So it is much, much better if you've got a page on Facebook and you want to rebrand it, it's much better to go in and rename your page than it is to try and move your existing people over to a new page. It's much, much better to do the work on the old page. Unless you've hardly got any people liking your page. So this one, for instance, there's like 50 people that like Andrew's page, something like that. It's not many at all. And so in that situation, it doesn't really matter. You could just as easily just start a brand new page if that was it. So for me, and social media consultants hate me saying this, but for me, the main purpose of your Facebook page is really so that you can run Facebook ads. That's really the main purpose as far as my own strategies go. That's the main purpose of running it. Because you need a Facebook page to be able to run Facebook ads, and therefore, and that's what I use Facebook for. It's mostly for running ads. So whilst there is, so if we look at some of the posts, for instance, that Andrew's done, whilst there is some good stuff to be had as far as if somebody comes and checks out your business, whether that's a customer or a potential supplier, they will come to your page and see that you're posting stuff on it, which is kind of cool for them to do that. But the bigger reason, for me at least, is so that you've actually got a page from within which you can run your Facebook ads from. That's the most important thing, okay? And Facebook, social media consultants hate me saying that shit, but that's where the ability to scale your business comes from. It doesn't come from getting likes on your page. It comes from paid advertising. So whilst I like getting likes, it makes you feel good to get a like, as far as an actual strategy goes for long-term scaling your business, paid traffic is the best strategy. Paid strategy is the best. So no, you cannot 301 a Facebook page and redirect it. No, you can't do that. You can change any page. You can change we could change the name of Andrew's page really easily. You just do it from your settings. You only get to do it once, by the way, and then you're like in trouble if you try and do it again. You get to do it once. If you've already done it once, you can't do it again. You get one shot at it. That's it. You get one shot. Hope that helps. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.